Hey there, let's talk about tooth whitening powder. I've got two of them here and I want to talk about each one. And I do actually have a favorite, and it might be an unusual reason why. So both of these were sent to me by each company so that I could try them out and then give you my opinion about them. And we're going to start with this one by Fleird. I say Fleird. It's got a pop top like this, like a lid for a jar, and then it's a lavender fine powder. And I have used this a lot. I do like it. It's one of those things that you can either just dip your wet toothbrush in it, or you can put a little bit of toothpaste on your toothbrush and then dip it if you want some extra whitening. So that is that one. It really helps with stains, and the purple is kind of like yellow canceling. Um, and so that is a good one. And then this one, it works a lot in the same way. It's got the screw top jar. It's also a fine milled powder, also purple, which can cancel out yellow stains. And this one also has like charcoal and some clay in it that helps with the tooth whitening. So that is also a good one. So let me show you what the powders look like a little bit close up. Okay, so here are the powders close up, and you do see a bit of a difference. This one is a little bit more fine powder than this one. Hopefully you can tell the difference there. So before I tell you which one I like better, I will just tell you that they both work. They both work really well for me. I like using both of them. They're both peppermint flavored, and they both, for me, help with like fresh breath and things like that. So they are both very effective. I will tell you that. You cannot go wrong either way with the functionality of each of those. Now, the one that I like a little bit better is this one, and it's because of the top. So you can kind of get to a point with jars like this where the top can be a little bit too narrow. And I like this wider top. I like the flip lid that you don't have to unscrew. And I like that the powder is a little bit more fine than the others. So, but like I said, both of them work really well for me. So can't go wrong getting either one. I just am weird about the size of it. So I hope this helps. Thanks. I would love to know if you have tried a tooth powder like this and what your experiences were, and if you liked it or disliked it and why. Please put it down in the comments. And then if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please click subscribe. Thank you.